Hey there, everybody. It's Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Wednesday, May 7th, 2014, and today we're taking a look at the S&P, and more specifically, where the S&P could be heading. So what we're watching as of right now, earlier this morning, Yellen was testifying, and we saw the stock market start selling off. It has since then retraced and bounced all the way back up, hit new highs, and now it's settling down right in the middle. But what I'm going to be watching for is potentially a higher low on the momentum on this daily price chart, where we have higher histogram lows and higher indicator line lows, as well as higher highs on the MQ momentum, as well as the fact that our cycle finder is changing to an upcycle, as signified by the green bar here on the MQ cycle finder indicator. So what we're going to watch for tomorrow is we want to see how this market closes today. I'd like to see it close in a doji pattern, so a close right next to the open, or I'd like to see it close up either to give us a yellow handled hammer or a yellow tip doji, and then we'll watch for a break of today's high tomorrow. If we do get that, I will watch for the S&P to go up and test this downtrend line up around 1885. Once we break through the 1885, we also need to get through the previous highs at 1886, and then we're off to test the all-time highs up at 1892 and a half. So right now it's looking somewhat bullish, assuming we're closing up like this and assuming we break tomorrow's high or today's high tomorrow. Now, if we do start to sell off and we don't put in a higher low, higher high, then what you're going to watch for is for the S&P to come all the way down and test this uptrend line coming across these previous daily lows. That's going to give us support all the way down around 1832. So if we do start to sell off, watch for support around 1832. If we break that, we could continue to head lower. But as of right now, assuming we don't sell off into the afternoon, the S&P is looking like we could be putting in a higher low on momentum and then rolling higher the rest of this week. So that's all I have for today. I hope it helps. Don't forget to click the link to subscribe. And until next time, happy trading.